head. Cure the head. Cut off the head. I wear my sunglasses and I grind my teeth. Cure the head. Cut off the head. It doesn't help that these lights won't stop flickering. It's hard to sleep when these neighbours keep bickering. This cage that I'm sitting in feels a lot like my home now. Stockholm syndrome now and I can't put my phone down. Obsessive, compulsive, possessive, repulsive, excessive, impulsive, aggressive. Hold this while I bang my fucking head on some inanimate object on my hands and my knees and I'm scrubbing at the carpet. Cure the head up. Cut off the head. Cure the head up. Cut off the head. I wear my sunglasses and I grind my teeth. Cure the head up. Cut off the head. It's rude to stare, the walls are so bare. I'm losing it in here, but it's dangerous out there. In uncertain chaos, never know what might happen. Might trip up, throw up, fall in the road and get flattered. Irrational fears. I'm debating getting back on the beers. I've lost track of the days and the weeks too. But now all I know is that I need to do something to cure the head up. Cut off the head. Cure the head up. Cut off the head. I wear my sunglasses and I grind my teeth. Cure the head up. Cut off the head. Washing machine. I've been watching my washing machine. I've been watching my washing machine. Washing machine. It goes round and round and round. The suicidal party song. Take one and pass it on. Washing machine. I've been watching my washing machine. I've been watching my washing machine. Washing machine. I've been watching my washing machine.
Okay.